What's good, folks? James Hicks here. Look, I want to personally invite you to the Creators Unleashed virtual conference that's happening on September 8th and 9th, starting at 1 p.m. Pacific time, 4 p.m. Eastern time each day. We're going to be talking about how you as a creator can succeed in today's new world. We'll talk strategies, we'll talk best practices, tools of the trade, and share ideas back and forth. It is going to be amazing. I'm thrilled and honored to be speaking at this conference alongside some serious giants in the industry. Get your tickets today. Matter of fact, get your ticket now. Go to jphightech.com/CCU. That's jphightech.com/CCU. I will see you inside the Creators Unleashed conference.